Welcome back. Today we'll discuss our prediction for Tesla stock to see if it was dead shot on or not. And we're going to discuss whether or not GM is going to compete with Tesla. And what our prediction is for Tesla stock for the rest of the week. Episode 3, Dead Shot Investor.
I don't even know how much I really made. I forgot, it's a lie. Fuck that, never mind what I got. Came up, that's all me for real.
As you can see, we've got the trend lines. Ascending triangle, classic. We've got the resistance up here. We got the support from this that has been started. Let's see how many days ago was that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, maybe 17 days ago. Right after the earnings came out and it went in the crapper. But it started this beautiful ascending triangle. And what did we predict yesterday? We predicted that the stock would stay between the support and the resistance. And what did it do today? Almost exactly did that. Right in between the two. And that's exactly where it ended up. So that's good news. Today, we're going to take a look at something that bears are constantly shouting, that Tesla is going to be overtaken by General Motors because General Motors is a huge competition to Tesla. And this article says how General Motors may grab the lead in electric infrastructure. This is an interesting article that is from the Investors Business Daily News. It says General Motors is using the deployment of 250 Chevy Bolts in its Maven ride-sharing service to gain crucial insights into charging infrastructure needs. This is in an attempt for GM to understand what infrastructure needs it might need for a supercharger infrastructure. As you can see here, Maven boasts that 3.7 million all-electric miles in under 2 years have been driven by their users. 3.7 million miles. Wow. That's EV miles. 3.7 million? Tesla, let's see how many have they driven. Oops, 3 billion. Not 3 million, 3 billion. And 1.3 billion of those miles were driven autonomously. So GM is attempting to learn with 250 cars what Tesla has already learned with nearly 200,000 cars on the road in the USA alone. GM boasts that it has over 400 EV charging stations. Wow. But these are only at their dealerships and factories and are for employee use only. So sorry, Bolt owners. Cadillac has done the same thing with its dealerships installing 5,900 charging stations for their employees. The article does not mention the charging rate. So as every EV owner knows, if you don't mention the charging rate, it's a level 2 charger. So congratulations. It takes 12 hours to charge your EV while you're at work. As long as you work a 12-hour day, that's not a problem if you own a Bolt and work for Chevrolet. So let's take a look at the destination chargers, not 400 of them, that Tesla has. Every single dot is a destination charger on this map. But that's not all. Tesla also has superchargers. As a matter of fact, they've got 7,500 of them. And that's the red dots. The gray dots are the superchargers that are coming in the next 6 months, nearly doubling the number of superchargers they have today. So, GM, if you really do want to take over and be the lead in electric vehicle infrastructure, I can show you what it looks like. And it doesn't look like 400 EV charging stations. It looks like this and this. So I propose this to the Tesla bulls. Do we need to fear General Motors because they're going to grab the lead in electric vehicle infrastructure? The answer is no. You can sleep tonight. This week, I still believe Tesla's going to tread water. it's going to continue to bounce between the support line and the 200-day moving average resistance. But next week will come a moment of truth. When these two lines converge, the stockholders are going to have to make a decision. Are they going to support Tesla's share price and follow the upward trend in the ascending triangle? Or are they going to succumb to the 200-day moving average and bounce down? Friday might help with that decision, since the world's largest battery pack is going to be switched on in South Australia. This might give the bulls the energy that they need to help support the stock price for Tesla and break it through the 200-day moving average. But after the Semi event and the Roadster 2 event, there wasn't a big bounce after that. And if there's not a big bounce after that, I don't know how there's going to be a big bounce after South Australia. But we'll see. And that's next week. So stay tuned, subscribe, and hit the bell so that you get a notification every time there's a new video. Thank you so much for tuning in this day, because we're doing this almost daily, to Deadshot Investor. Peace out.
Little bitch.